Here we are at the start of the trip. We're at our campsite, which is on top of this bluff. There's Robert figuring out what to do with the food. There's the raft that we already pumped up. And we pumped that up last night. And Jen's trying to stuff that tent into a little bag over there. And where's Ryan? There's Ryan. Ryan, what are you doing?
Nothing.
He's doing nothing. He's doing his normal job. We'll shut this off now since we only have 19 minutes and 30 seconds more to record.
You've never came with one rope.
For a trash bag.
What? Well, we got trash bags, and then one of the bags I've got a stuff sack, a big stuff sack. That's why I'm the blue bag there in the temp hole.
Put a couple of these together.
What are in them? What's in there?
All my toiletries, I think. There you go.
Right? So, take some things and just sort of get them a little bit outside.
Boat loading scene after lunch. We just had lunch. I'll pan over here to where we had lunch. There's Jennifer. And we go over here, and this barren, dry, hot, sandy area is where we had lunch. If you notice carefully, those gray things every 4.5 inches are the cow plops. I'll pan back to the river. River is going by here at about 6 or 8 knots. Ryan's in the life raft. Note that he has his life jacket on. And we're looking downriver. There's a rapid we have to negotiate. That's it. I'll see you. Maybe the next stop might be at the dinner stop.
It is 6:10 on Sunday evening, July 4th, 1993. East Fork of the Carson River. This is our overnight campsite. We just went, we're probably about 13 miles down the river, and we're going to pan around towards the campsite here. There's Ryan. There's our boat that we came on. There's our campsite. There's my dad's new tent. Take a look at that. Got the instructions out. There I am and Jennifer. And here's our beautiful surroundings. We'll take a few more as dinner progresses. And that's it. Goodbye from the East Fork Carson River. East Fort Carson, July 4th, 1993. We're in search of the fishermen. There they are. We will go take a closer look, but first let's scan the river. We're upstream from our campsite. Campsite's down there. Perhaps if we zoom in, you can see some of our tents and our camp. And there's the river going off in the distance. Beautiful evening. It's about 7 o'clock. We'll have dinner in about an hour or so. Into Jurassic Park. Look at what we found. It's a giant bone. Here we are. It's still July 4th, 1993, East Fort Carson. We're upstream about a couple hundred yards from our campsite. There's our campsite again back down that way. Jen's snug and warm in her tent taking an afternoon siesta. And we're here fishing for our dinner. Beautiful night.
Let's see the bone again. Try it eating it, Ryan. Let's see, this looks like the ideal fishing spot, but we've been here now for about 20 minutes and there's no fish.
No fish.
It looks like the ideal spot. There's Ryan fishing, casting carefully. There it goes. It's an idyllic spot here. See if I give you some idea what it looks like panning back. Should be fish here. How's that for the one of the natives we found on the river? Here's Ryan getting ready for fishing. He enjoys this. It's called rock fishing. You hear that?
We're jumping tonight.
Now don't get too close to that rapid. Ah, good one. Okay, this is enough rock fishing. Enough videoing of rock fishing. He's going to try to empty the entire bank.
1993. Oh my God, I'm being attacked by bees. That should make a good film. 4th of July, 1993.
Last sparkler.
Jen's eating watermelon. That's the first sighting of Jen in one of these machines. She was in the tent at the earlier. East Fort Carson River, approximately 8:30. Over here is where the swarm of mosquitoes was. This is what we had for dinner. We have rice and we have chili. Dessert was some cookies and watermelon. And Dad is going to the restroom. And here is a big bug. We're now being attacked by a large flying bumblebee. We've been scanning the hills for the Motel 6.
Watch out, here it comes!
Sunset, East Fort Carson River, July 4th, 1993.
This is, what is it, the 5th of July. We're at our takeout, or wait a minute, our rest stop, or actually our overnight stop. And here we are. We're in the final loading process for the putting the raft. Ryan's sitting down the raft. Ryan, say hello to the camera. He said hello to the camera. So, it's a beautiful morning. Sunny and just about 70 degrees already, and it's only 10 minutes to 10. How neatly the raft is packed. Robert, are you proud of that?
I am very proud of that.
Okay.
This is the 16th time this morning I've packed it.
This is take 17.
Day 17, East Fork, Carson.
Okay. Okay, here we go. We're filming. This is the reorchestrating of the cars. Ryan, let me zoom in on you. Where are you? There you are. What happened to Jennifer? Jennifer's disappeared.
The big mess.
This is the big mess.
Yeah.
That's what the car looks like. Jennifer?